Guys, we're live. Porac, Pampanga, Philippines. Got a brush fire, active scene. Bureau of Fire Protection's here with multiple trucks. Still on active fire. I guess it started over here. Some still smoking, still some timbers burning. You gotta watch out for this wire over here, electrical wire. Stop something. We have the rescue dog out here. Still smoking there. I guess it started here and it went across. They're now watching right across the street. There's houses. I don't think any residents live yet, but there's houses. You think it's going to burn the wire? The electric wire may be going to burn? No? No, it's good? It's good? Oh, easy, easy. You got the fire. You're supposed to be on the fire. What's wrong with you? You're a rescue dog. Thank you, sir. Be safe, okay? Thank you. Okay. Oh, there's one going there now. Uh-oh. Another hot spot. Now it's going over that side too. No. Which one? Tupelo. Tupelo. Yeah. Rafi, yeah, Rafi. Yeah, I told them the one fire is underneath the electric wire. That electric wire is already bending from the heat. If that pops, it's going to come down. It's going to come flying this way. Because it's, you see the wire, it bends a little bit. If that wire snaps, it's going to swing all the way this way. Live power, you know. It's blowing this way, so it's going to come back this way, maybe. Like 10,000, something like that, yeah. We got in Daewoo. Good price in Daewoo, yeah. Yeah. Brand new. No, Daewoo. Daewoo. Come on, we gotta go this way. We have a pump. We have a pump to make the water strong. Just from the tank. Yeah. It's got a switch on the pump that when you run the water, it senses the water and turns the pump on. Automatic pump, yeah. I got from Lazada. We don't need the pump, no. The pressure. You missed him. Cap Jason was just here. He beeped, yeah, and left. He's leaving. Yeah. He went to see. Yeah, he went that way. She told him something. They got to do something with the water, you know? But fire's right here, guys. If the wind blows the opposite direction, it can easily go over here to where all these houses are at. The row houses here. Location is PALAT, porac, pampanga. Bureau of Fire Protection's here fighting the fire. It's a brush fire. So far they're doing a great job. I have it contained right now. A lot of weeds even across the street right there to the right. That can easily, looks like they're starting to catch fire too over there. We just hope it doesn't get to the houses here. I'm not sure if anybody's living or these vacant. These look like they're brand new construction.